Hello friends, welcome back to JSP and Servlet Advanced project. We are building a cinema ticket booking project in JSP. Today we will create a database and tables for our project in MySQL Workbench. So let's get started. So in our MySQL Workbench, we will create a database and we will name it movie ticket, and underneath of this database we'll create three major tables. One is user table, another one is admin table, and movie table. So these three tables will play the major roles in our project. User table will store all our user information and admin table will store all our admin information. We can merge these two tables together, but it will make some complexity. So, and there is also some privacy issue. So that's why I make it separate, user and admin table. And the most role is movie table. We will store all our movie details in this table. Structure for the user table. In user table, we'll create a few more fields. First one is ID. ID will be the primary key and not null and auto increment. So you can see that this is our primary key, integer, primary key, not null, and auto increment. AI means auto increment. And the user have a name, and I store it in a varchar. So 250. The length can make it 450, 100. It's okay, no problem. And the field should not be null. And the email, it's also varchar and not null and unique, because a single user has one email. So in one email we'll store one user, so it should not be duplicate. That means using one email address multiple user. So then we will be confused that which user is logging and which user is buying the ticket or purchasing the ticket. And we'll store the password, date of birth, and gender. So this is the structure for our user table. So if you want to add more columns, you can add. If you want to store more information, you can add, no problem. And this is the structure for admin table. It's same as user table, but we just add one more extra column, which is a role. So, and you can define the role, but it's okay, no problem. Why I add roles in admin column? Because I want to add admin, moderator, editor, just something like that. If you want to add, so that's why I add extra column here, role. Then we'll define the performance for management team. And then this is the movie table and the structure for a movie table. We'll store the ID. This will be auto increment as usual. Movie name, director name. So a movie can have more director. So we'll store the director as a array list. It's okay. Also, you can store it as a string format. It's also okay. So I'm here storing as a string format. And releasing date, casts, I mean the actors, and description. A movie should have a description, and the poster. Here, why varchar? I want to store the poster name to the database and the poster image file in our project directory, and the duration and the trailer. Trailer is the YouTube link. So here, why I paste 50 character because I just want to store the video ID, because every YouTube video has a unique ID. So I just want to add the ID, and the link will be default. The link is youtube.com/ videos or views, just like that. So that's all for movie structure. Okay, let's go back to our MySQL Workbench and create those tables. So here is my MySQL Workbench. I already logged in, and here I will create a database first. So click on create a new schema and then name it to movie ticket. Okay, and set everything default and click on apply. Okay, our database has been created. This is our database, and now we'll create tables. Right click on it and click on table and right click and create table. Our first table will be the user and name it to UID, user ID, and this is primary key not null and auto increment, and second column will be name and it's varchar, you can 250 and not null. Third one will be email, varchar and 250 and not null and unique index, and password not null, DOB, date of birth, so it's 50 character is okay, not null, and gender, it's also okay, 45 character is okay, and this one also 45 character is okay, not null. Okay, that's all for our user table. So just click on apply. Okay, it's done. So you can see that we have one table. There is nothing here. And create one more table is admin and AID, and that means admin ID, not null, and auto increment. Then admin should have name 250, not null. Admin should have email 250, not null, and the password 250, it's also not null, and DOB not null, gender not null, and last thing is a role. So and here the email is unique, and click on apply. Our admin table has been created. So this is our admin table, and now we'll create one more table is movie table. First one is MID, that means movie ID, and primary key not null and auto increment. Second one is movie name, so it's 250, not null. Third one is director, it's also not null. You can it's as much as possible, 450. And fourth one is our releasing date, back not null. Then costs not null and make it 450. Then description, make it also 450. Poster, make it 250, and the duration 450 is okay, and not null. All this field is not null, and the trailer link 450 is okay, make it. And here you can see that the movie name should be unique. Okay, the other thing is okay, no problem. Okay, click on apply. Okay, done. Our movie table has been created, but there is a silly mistake here. We didn't name it to movie. Just click on settings and name it to movie. Apply. Okay, finish. Our movie table has been created. So this is ID, movie ID, name, director, release date, cast, description, poster, duration, and trailer link. So friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share it with your friends. So see you in next video.